Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install KakaoTalk application on your smartphone, whether you are using iPhone or Android. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open Google Play Store or your App Store. Go to the search icon at the bottom right and in the search bar at the top, type in KakaoTalk. Look for this application from Kakao Corp and tap the Get or the Install button. If you're using iOS, then you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID's password. After it is done, your download process will begin. Wait for a few minutes and tap on the Open button once the installation is complete. And that's how you can easily download and install KakaoTalk on your smartphone. Once you're inside, you can then go ahead and sign up to KakaoTalk or log into your existing account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.